Yes, so don't be tense. This question is not that difficult, okay? Honestly, when I first looked at this question, I saw this Na2B4. Yeah, specifically the B4. So I was like, okay, 4 here. That means I'm definitely gonna need the 4 somewhere around there to start with. That's without even thinking about, a lot of things. So if I fixed my boron, then the next thing to fix will either be hydrogen or oxygen. Okay. I don't know, for some reason I'm leaning towards oxygen. So let's see what that would be. So the oxygen here is 12, 4 times 3, 12, and an extra 4 here, making a total of 16. So I'm going to have to come to either here or here to try to fix my oxygen. Okay? I can't try to fix oxygen from here by placing something here. Because if I place something here, I'm going to scatter the already balanced sodium, and I'm going to also scatter the boron that I've just balanced. You see that? So I don't want to touch the Na2B4O7. Let's just leave that part. So I'm going to either touch this or this. Now for the first one, H2SO4, if I should try to start balancing the oxygen here by touching the H2SO4, if I alter it here now, it's going to affect my sulfate, meaning that I'll come here again to try to balance out the sulfate by placing something here, which would then mean that it will affect the sodium, and I'll have to come here and do what I said I don't want to do. Do you get the point now? So I should not touch the H2SO4, otherwise that problem I will run into. So trying to balance out my oxygen now, I think that leaves me with working here. So let's try to put a 2 there first and see what happens. First off, we already have 7 here, we have 4 here, and then we have 1. So in total, it is about 12. I'm trying to get it to 16. If I place a 2 here, this becomes 2. So now it's 13. If I place a 3 here, this becomes 3. So now is what? 14. If I place a 4 here, this becomes 4. So now it's 11 plus 4, 15. And if I place a 5 here, it becomes 16, right? Which is what I want. So that 5 there will help me to balance my oxygen. So now that I'm deciding that it's going to be a 5, let me now see whether I have, caused more problems by checking the hydrogen, okay? So 5 times 2 is 10. The hydrogen here is 2. So that's like 12. And here, oh wow, the hydrogen is actually 12. You see that? So if after balancing the boron here, if you had decided to balance hydrogen next, because you see this 12 immediately, right? And then you come here and say, okay, I'm trying to make a 12 here. Let me probably put a 5 here so that this will be 10 plus these 2 to make 12. You realize that you're going to end up balancing it even faster than me because I was going through the oxygen route. Okay, so that's it. And this is our answer. If this explanation is not very clear to you, you can reach out to us on Instagram, and maybe somebody will explain it to you via a one-on-one lesson. So if you want to subscribe to one-on-one lessons. Yes, and then also you might have also solved this question using the algebraic method. That should also work and give you pretty much the same answers. Yeah, so I'll see you on the next one, yeah? Take care.